Hello everyone, welcome to another Swift tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be going over structs and structures. So a structure essentially is like a custom data type. It's very similar to a class, but it uses pass by value instead of pass by reference. I'm not going to go too deep into it for this video. I want to show you how to implement it, how to use it, what a struct is. In later videos, I will actually go into more detail on how a struct is different from a class because this is a fairly decent sized topic, and when to use structs and when to use classes is still fairly debated, but there are some ground rules. So I can go into those later, but I want to show you how to use a struct at least right now and how you can get up and running. So here we have our class person. Um, let's make a person struct. So we're going to just clean this up a little bit. This is from our last video with protocols. We're getting rid of the protocol here, and we're just taking this this class person. So we have our person. Now let's create a struct underneath it. All right, struct. We'll call this person struct. Again, awful name, but what are you going to do? Now we can create, let's see, a name and an age. Okay. So underneath this class object, we can make our struct object. So person struct equals person struct. Whoops. There we go. So name, we can say Dan, and age, we can say 32. All right. Now if we print the person struct, we can take a look at its members. So we say print name. Whoops. There we go. So we're going to print out the person struct name. There it is, Dan. So what if we don't want to, again, do this? So we just want to say that this is the person struct right here. What we can do is we can try optionals. So when we try optionals, we see now we have to actually give it a shot because we'll run it and it'll just say no, there's nothing here. Well, in Swift language, this is nil. So we're not going to get anything. So what we can do is person struct name equals, just like how we did in class when I was discussing how to do this with classes. It's a very similar concept with structs. There you go. All right. So this has been essentially a very basic how to get up and running with structs. They're very simple to get started with. Again, this is essentially a custom data type. There's really not too much going on in structs. You can do logic as well in here, but there's not too much going on typically with structs. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. We're going to keep going with object-oriented programming, and we're going to keep having some fun. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys later.